Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to remove a group chat from Facebook Messenger, here's how you can do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Scroll through your chats list until you find the group chat you want to delete. Tap on that conversation to open it. Next, tap on the group name or the info icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group's settings and details. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see the option to leave chat. Tap on it, and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Select Leave Group to confirm, and just like that, you'll exit the group chat. It will be removed from your chats list, and you won't receive any more messages from the group. That's it. You've successfully removed the group chat from Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.